This is Venkateswarlu from Central Office. Welcome to Narayana Group of Schools. Assignment key discussion. Assignment 2 key discussion of 9th class dated on 12 June 2020. The topic is grammar. Grammar from first unit. Let us see. Combine the following pair of sentences using the past perfect and the simple past tense. We know very well when two actions take place in the past one after another, the first completed action is expressed in the past perfect tense and the second completed action is expressed in the simple past tense. Now let us see here. We are asked to use before, after, when to combine the given sentences. First one, I brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. Two actions completed in the past, right? In bracket, the conjunction before is given. So we have to combine these two statements by using before. Now, I brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. From these two, which action completed first? Generally, brushing teeth is first completed action. So, that must be in past perfect tense. I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. Had brushed. So this is past perfect tense and this one is simple past tense. So the conjunction here used is before. Now let us see second one. She started to go to market. It rained heavily. From these two, when she started, her starting to the market is the first action. So that must be in past perfect tense by using when. Now let us see the answer. When she had started to go to market, when she had started to go to market, it rained heavily. When she had started to go to market, it rained heavily. Now let us see third one. He completed his homework. He went to bed. He completed his homework. He went to bed. From these two actions, so which one is the first completed? After completing his work, he went to bed. So this is first completed action. So we are asked to combine these two by using after. The conjunction after. Now let us see the answer. He went to bed after, so this is the conjunction, after he had completed his homework. He went to bed after he had completed his homework. So past perfect tense, simple past tense. Now let us see fourth one. I finished my dinner, my father came. When I finished my dinner, my father came. So we have to combine by using before. Now let us see. When we combine by using before, I had finished my dinner. I had finished my dinner before my father came. I had finished my dinner. Had finished, past perfect tense. My father came. Came, simple past tense. Now let us see fifth one. Sujata arrived at the station. The train came. We have to combine these two sentences by using after. Now the answer, the train came after Sujata had arrived at the station. So from these two, Sujata's arriving at the station is the first completed action. That's why it must be in past perfect tense, and the train's coming is second completed action, so it must be in simple past tense. Now let us see sixth one. The doctor arrived, the patient died. Combine by using when. The doctor arrived, the patient died. So let us take doctor's arrival as the first action, or we can take patient's death also as first action. Anyone we can take. Now let us take this one as first completed action. When the doctor had arrived, the patient died. When the doctor had arrived, the patient died. So this is linker conjunction. Now let us see seventh one. I bought the ticket. I boarded the bus. So by using before, generally after buying tickets we can board the bus. So by using before, I had bought the ticket. I had bought the ticket before I boarded the bus. So this is first completed action, so it must be in past perfect tense. This is second completed action, simple past tense. Now let us see eighth one. My father came to the room. I left the room. Means after my father's coming to the room, I left that room. So from these two, which one is the first completed action? My father's coming is the first completed action. I left the room is second completed action. So we have to combine these two by using after. Now the answer is, now let us see. I left the room. I left the room after my father had come. See, ninth one. I went to school, the class is started. I went to school, the class is started. For this may be earlier action or later action. This may be earlier action or later action. So there is no surety or clue for this. So we are asked to combine by using when. When such statements are given, we can write in any way. Means we can write this one as first completed action or this one as first completed action. Now let us take this one. When so I am taking this one as earlier action and that one as later action. When I had gone to school, the classes started. When I had gone, so this is earlier action, that's why past perfect tense, and this is later action, simple past tense. Now let us see 10th one. He saw a tiger. He fainted, means he lost his consciousness. So combine by using before. He saw a tiger, he fainted. But this is particular, means after seeing the tiger, he fainted. Means this is first completed action and this one is second completed action. So when we combine by using before, see here, he had seen a tiger, he had seen a tiger before he fainted. So this is first completed action, earlier action, and this one is later action, right? So like this we can combine sentences by using before, after, when, in this way. Children, I hope you understood. All the best.